Hello student, today we are going to start some multiple choice question MCQ on welding under production technology, module 2. All these MCQ are very important for competitive exam. Question number 1. Forge welding is best suited for. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Wrought iron. Forge welding is a process where heat and pressure are applied to joint two base metal. The heating and cooling cycle during welding causes expansion and contraction in the metal. Forge welding for wrought iron, it heated at elevated temperature and the two pieces are superimposed and hammered together. Okay. Question number 2. Laser welding find widest application. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Laser welding widest application electronics industry. Laser welding allows joint of very small spot welding and fine seam welding with a high degree of accuracy and also longer life of the electronics component. Okay. Question number 3. Which of the following carbon steel is most weldable? There are 4 options. Correct answer is A. 0.15% carbon steel. Low carbon steel with 0.15 to 3% carbon mostly used, but less than 2% carbon are ideal, as the impurities are kept low. Welding at room temperature during the welding process. Question number 4. Unlike materials or materials of different thickness can be butt welded by, there are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Control of pressure and current. Unlike material or material of different thickness can be butt welded by control pressure and current. Okay. Question number 5. 2 sheets of different material but same thickness can be spot welded by, there are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Changing the size of one electrode, upper electrode or lower electrode, change the size of any one. Question number 6. TIG welding is best suited for welding. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. TIG welding is best suited for welding aluminum. TIG is the better option for welding aluminum because it allows for better result on lighter gauge material when done correctly. In TIG welding, aluminum can produce quality weld. Okay. Question number 7. Gay cast iron is usually welded by. There are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Gay cast iron is welded by gas welding. Gay cast iron is welded by neutral flame. Sometimes slightly oxidized flame can also be used. Question number 8. In thermite welding, the iron oxide and aluminum oxide are mixed in the proportion of. There are 4 options. Correct answer is B. 3:1. Iron oxide and aluminum oxide are ratio 3:1. Question number 9. In manual TIG welding, the angle of the electrode holder with the direction of welding is. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. 70 degree. Angle between electrode holder and direction of welding is 70 degree. Question number 10. Welding or weld spatter is a. There are 4 options. Correct answer is C. Welding or weld spatter is a welding defect. During welding operation, due to the force of arc, some of the molten metal particles are jumping from the weld pool and falling into other area of the plate. This is called splatter. This is called weld spatter. Question number 11. The phenomenon on weld decay occurs in. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Stainless steel. Weld decay is a corrosion process occurs during welding operation. It is a form of intergranular corrosion. Question number 12. In arc welding operation, the current value decided by. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Size of the electrode. the current value in arc welding is determined by the size of the electrode. It also the welding position. Again, size of electrode is depend on thickness of metal and joint preparation. Question number 13. The strength of a proper welded joint as compared to base metal would be. There are 4 options. Correct answer is B. Strength of a welded joint, proper welded joint as compared to base metal would be more. Most welding, if done correctly and with the proper weld size and length, then welded joint usually stronger than the base metal. Okay. Question number 14. The carburizing flame as compared to oxidizing flame is. There are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Carburizing flame as compared to oxidizing flame is more luminous. Question number 15. The temperature of the inner luminous cone of neutral flame is of the order. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. 3200 degrees centigrade. Okay. Question number 16. The most commonly used flame in gas welding is. There are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Neutral flame. Question number 17. The maximum flame temperature occurs at. There are 4 options. Correct answer is C. Next to the inner cone. Question number 18. Submerged arc welding is. There are 4 options. Correct answer is C. Submerged arc welding is a process in which arc is maintained under a blanket of flux. Submerged arc welding SAW is a joining process that involves the formation of an electric arc between a continuous feed electrode and the workpiece to be welded. Here, a blanket of powder flux surround and covered the arc. Question number 19. Arc length in arc welding should be nearly equal to. There are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Arc length in arc welding should be nearly equal to the diameter of the electrode rod. D. Question number 20. In coated electrode in arc welding, there are 4 options. Correct answer is D. in coated electrode in arc welding, rod melt first, then coating melt. It prevent direct contact of air with metal. At higher temperature, metal can oxidize easily and lose metallic property. So, providing flux coating that guard the metal